We have Christan, Junior MasterChef, Christian, Junior MasterChef, Giselle, Junior MasterChef, and Grandma MasterChef. Hey, welcome everybody to this episode of Larger Than Life with Chris. Today we are going to do Junior MasterChef. And here we have Christian and Christan. Say hi.
Hi.
And we also have our Grandmother Elley. Everybody say hi, Grandmother Elley. And then we have a special guest star. We have Giselle. Hi, Giselle. Giselle is Christian and Christan's cousin. And she is our niece, and she is also joining in to do a baking cookout. Now we're going to see what is on the... I'm going to take a quick zoom in on what we have here. Mold, what else? Dough, what else? And we have here the dough has already been done up. We won't be sharing what is the ingredients inside because this is Grandma's secret recipe. Yeah, only Grandma knows. That's why it's secret. And it's secret because Grandma knows. Giselle, what mold you have? Let's see your mold.
This is a pear, a flower. Here's another flower. Here is a star, Hello Kitty, and what's this called? What's this called? Apple. Is it apple? And this spiral thing and the circle thing here, and another Hello Kitty mold.
Okay. Did you know how many cookies are you going to make?
1,000. I'm gonna make 1,000.
Titi, you're playing like Play-Doh.
It's nice. I wish you were here, people, but it's very nice. It smells very nice.
I'm gonna help later by eating.
That's not helping, that's trying.
Christian, what's your favorite thing about making cookies?
The toppings.
The toppings?
Yeah.
Okay.
And the decoration.
Why
Decor.
the toppings and the decorations?
Because the decor is fun.
Okay.
And then my most favorite part is eating it.
What is your favorite topping?
Sprinkles. Mr. Sprinkles.
Okay, Christan, what is your favorite part about making cookies?
I like to play with it.
You like to play with it?
I like to squeeze it.
You like to squeeze it? Let's see how Giselle is doing. See? Wow, see Giselle is doing it very clean, right? But what happened to the rest? See?
I'm making a big ball first.
Just to tell everybody about our head chef today, our head chef is Grandma Elley. And Grandma Elley is an award-winning chef because she raised up 4 daughters.
No. 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 No, do like Giselle Meme. Yummy. Oh, and make sure you have a working station clean.
Keep your working station clean, right?
Yeah.
Why is it important to have a clean working station?
I don't know. You only tell, but you don't know. And this one. And then I just get out the excess here. And then I take it out. Ding! My first cookie.
See? What is it?
It's an apple. Now next.
Wow, your style is nice.
Okay, just get out the excess. Wow!
Squish it.
It's time to play hide and seek.
Wow, see your shape. Where's the star just now very nice.
Yeah.
Ah, that's nice.
You cannot touch it up.
You
But
make more star, okay?
Okay, once you're done with the mold or the shape and your sizes, you put them on the baking tray.
And then put the toppings.
Yes.
Back it out.
Sprinkles to mine.
I want to put chocolate chips and sprinkles.
How are we doing, chefs? Okay, chef?
Yeah.
You put in the tray.
Okay, and we put some more.
I take for you.
Okay, now we
Okay.
transfer
Ooh.
the cookies to the baking tray. Christian, why do you think we need to put a piece of paper or the baking paper on the tray?
Because later our cookies will stick to it, and baking paper has a non-stick material.
That's absolutely correct. Ask me what's my favorite part about cookies.
What's your favorite kind of cookies?
Eating it.
You're eating someone's hard work.
Yeah.
My first perfect cookie. Now next I need a pear. Thank you.
That is the apple. This is.
Make it thicker. Thicker.
Christan, how long have you been a chef?
For I don't know.
Such a long time.
Giselle, having fun? Yes. You like cooking? Yes. Does your mommy cook?
Yes.
She baked cupcake that day.
Giselle, what is the favorite food that you like from your mother's cooking?
Cake, maybe.
The question is for Giselle. Is that? You don't know? Okay.
Sushi is it? Your mom cooked sushi for you.
Next, I'm gonna make a snowman. Can I? Can I make a snowman? Snowman cookie. Gingerbread man. I want to make a gingerbread man. And you also can make gingerbread man.
This one I can put in tray.
Okay. Can.
I like the star.
Make the star.
The star very nice or very thick.
Now. Now.
Wow, quite a lot already, huh?
Hey, and
We
the
have star, we have Hello Kitty, pears,
apple.
apples.
Oh no, his head come off.
You can actually like a sandcastle.
Are you making cookies or sandcastle? Christan, who do you think make a better chef? A boy or a girl?
A boy. Papa.
Why a boy makes a better chef?
Because there are only a little bit of good
Because
chefs.
Papa built so well with Lego, and he knows.
I remember the rocket ship that I made out of cardboard.
Yeah, he is so smart how to make it, and I know solar system too. And he also knows what it is.
Can a girl also become a good chef?
Yes.
What makes you say that?
Then because we don't want Giselle to cry.
I have my snowman. Snowman. I just need to make a hat for him.
If you make a big dough, it might take a long time to cook it.
No, it's okay. The most important thing to have fun.
The most important thing is to have fun, right? Giselle, are you
See
having
what
fun?
you're making snowman.
Yes.
Snowman.
Giselle, other than making cookies, what other things can you make or cook? Sushi. Giselle, are you going to cook and make dinner, lunch dinner for your mommy and daddy? Yes.
Can make spaghetti also lah. I'm going to blow you. I'm going to blow your bowl. I'm going to blow your mind. I'm going to blow your bowl. I'm going to blow your mind. Mind. Subscribe if you like to make cookies.
Yes, that's right. Christian, what do you tell us viewers?
Like, and tell us what is your favorite topping
Yeah.
and cookies.
Okay, everybody, make sure you subscribe, like, share this video out to those who would like to learn how to bake a cookie, and comment down below which one is your favorite cookies
And which shape is it?
and which shape is it, and what is your favorite sprinkles or toppings.
Like Mr. Stickles. He's washing in the washing machine now.
Just so everybody knows, Giselle here is our first cousin, and she is going to be a big sister very soon. Because Giselle's mommy is going to have a baby very soon.
It's
Right,
a titi.
Giselle?
And it's a boy.
Yes. Giselle, you're gonna have a little brother, baby boy, right? Are you happy? Yes. Are you going to be a good big sister? Should we show mommy's face in the video? Mommy's Giselle's mother is coming behind me and she's running away.
Okay.
What's that for?
It's a wrong pin.
It's a pat. It's a pat. Has a pat.
Peter Pan.
You know, guys, you can't figure out whether the rolling pin is actually a roller or is a pin.
The wrong pin.
Can you put this in the kind of do that because this is long and later accidentally.
Wow.
Okay, nah. I need it.
Need to make some other things.
I do want the flower one. Can I have this? Next we're going to make cornflakes. This again, huh?
Cornflake cookies. Wow. Stay tuned.
Yeah.
And stay tuned where we eat it.
So stay tuned, everybody, for the next secret recipe from Grandma Elley.
From YouTube.
Okay, the baking tray is being filled up quickly and it's getting ready to go into the oven to be baked for 2 days. And Giselle is our head chef sprinkler. So Giselle is going to sprinkle.
So
Come here.
let's get hand.
Giselle, can you show us how to sprinkle?
I know this one.
You just get from your hand like this, okay?
Yeah, just like that. Okay.
Forgot if I make cookie, yeah?
Yeah, just like that.
Where's my pizza?
Show the bottle of sprinkles. Can you show the bottle of sprinkles, Giselle? Show me.
Show the camera.
Wow, colorful.
Now
Can I put it
we'll
down?
sprinkle.
Just okay. Get in. Get in. Sit down.
So colorful, isn't it?
I like this style.
So hot.
Christian, why are you eating the sprinkles?
I thought I can eat it, but cannot.
Those are the topping. Those are the cookie as a topping.
No.
I want to
I
eat.
will go in later. Soon.
Stick to your mouth.
Oh, this is overflowing with sprinkles.
We have to put the oven first, then you can eat.
Of course, you have to cook it.
The sprinkles.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Enough already.
See?
Okay, can I have the sprinkles? And can I have the sprinkles? I want the sprinkles. I want the sprinkle tray. The sprinkles.
Always wash your hands before you cook.
And wash your hands after you prepare the food, right?
Yeah.
Do you think the colors will be still the same after it goes into the oven?
No. It'll be crispy brown.
Crispy brown?
Crispy as the crisp. Rather than a crisp.
Okay.
Nice.
Careful. I just made that so hot.
That's your hard work.
So we are gonna play. We're gonna play while the Titi is done. Okay?
No. Wait.
Can you make one half shape for me.
Okay. I do my best.
Oh, if you say so.
The cookie is finally done. Here we have, it's looking and smelling very nice. And be careful when you take any cookies out from the oven because it's sizzling hot. Look at that. Look at that. Whoa, nice. See? Okay, children, don't touch the baking tray. Let it cool down first. Okay, this is the first batch. There's another batch coming out soon.
No, my ice cream is ruined.
It's nice. It's nice.
That one is ice cream, is it?
No.
It looks nice.
My pizza.
Wow, well done.
My ice cream is broken.
Which one? Here?
Okay,
Oh yeah, but where's my?
so if you enjoy this cookie baking cookout, click like, subscribe, share this video out with your friends, and we'll come back next time with new videos, cooking videos just like this one.
And where's my giant pizza? Where is it?
And now it's the time for us to munch. Yay! Yeah, it's too hot. We're gonna let it cool down, then we're gonna eat. Okay. Okay. Say bye, everybody. Bye.
Pizza.
Going fast. Larger than life with Chris. Larger than life with Chris. Dun-dun.